In our next demonstration, we shall make another paper gasket, this time using the knockout method. This method is only suitable when working on solid steel or iron workpieces. Small workpieces may be secured firmly in your bench vise, with the joint side facing upward. Firstly, cut out enough material to fully cover the joint facing. Place the material, plain side down, onto the workpiece, ensuring that it fully covers the joint face. Using the ball end of a machinist's hammer, press a depression through the gasket into a fastener hole of the workpiece. Punch out the hole using the correct size bell punch. Return the material to the workpiece. Align the hole and use a spare bolt or stud to keep the gasket aligned. Press and punch out the remaining fastener holes. Use spare bolts or studs to keep the gasket in place. Then, with light hammer blows, tap around the profile of the workpiece to create a series of perforations through the gasket material. When both external and internal features have been tapped around, take the gasket off and finish cutting with scissors, shears, or a craft knife. Finally, check the fitting alignment. Occasionally, you may encounter a raised edge over which the gasket must fit. Tapping out over the raised portion can lead to problems. We suggest that the center be measured and a circle scribed onto the gasket center. Cut out the circle and then tap out the other detail as previously described. The tapping method is only suitable for paper or board-type material. When producing a rubber insertion or cork gasket, you will have to mark out the profile using a paper template. The template is made in the same manner as a paper gasket. Practice making non-metallic gaskets on a workpiece or equipment in your training center or plant area. This concludes our program on static seals. We trust that you will join us again in other Tech AV training programs.